That's not good. That's also not good. That's good. That's not good. And wait a minute. That's not good.
I don't want to talk about it. Hi, I'm Jamie. This is Dead Dodge Garage, and this is a porta potty at Bremerton Raceway. That's right, we're back. Trying to get one more off with the Demon at the very last Bremerton Test and Tune this year. We're mega late, let's just say that. You know I'm still running on the same gas that was in the tank in Arkansas. It's remarkably fuel efficient. Last time I was here, I put down my personal best, fastest the car's gone since I've had it, 8:30. Now here's the thing, this may well be a send-off for the Demon's drag racing career. Because next year, I hope to be driving a Barracuda with a ridiculous 273 and multiple carburetors and that sort of thing. 10 Star Sports right there. We were gonna run one, but I still had to go through tack and air up my tires and now we're here. 7 minutes. Yeah, what he said. If these cars start moving, we might just get 2 hits. That's a lot of driving for like 1 or 2 hits. 4 hours round trip. I thought I was leaving early this time. Just normal Dead Dodge Garage stuff. My genius strategy this time is use all 4 gears and slip the clutch a little bit more. And hopefully that helps alleviate the bog. I've made 0 tuning changes. Actual race car. Oh yeah, I'm gonna try and burn out in second. Second works.
I did. But you might be able to get another. Just go.
That's what it's supposed to be. All right, one more shot. See if I can break it. Let's go.
Does it care? It looks like a bump stopped his suspension or something. He got that number and this fell off his car. I'm sure it's nothing important.
Alright. Something broke. Never mind. It's just going too fast. Whee! Okay. I'll tell brakes. Because I was just riding on them and it wasn't really slowing down. Hot lapping with four-wheel drums. I guess that's where we're at. So, 2 hits. Not bad. I'll take it. 791 twice. That gets a hell yeah brother for me. It's in the sevens. The garbage smog 360. Oh, I love it. I'm having a good time. I know it's still not an actually fast car, but like, for what it is, it's not bad, dude. You know what that is? How far out was it?
Oh, you lost it when you did your burnout.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And I was going to try getting your attention, but...
They didn't weigh me down, it's fine.
No, they did all move towards it like, what was that? And I'm like, I think it's doing suspension. It's good.
Huh. Wow. Alright, cool.
Well, the only reason you got such a good time the second time is you were reducing weight.
So some parts of your race car are extra, right? Turns out I lost the rubber off the adjustable pinion snubber on the second burnout. And yet, it still went faster without it. How does that even make sense? Well, so far it hasn't killed anybody.
Oh, that's so sketchy.
I told you that already.
Ow, slivers up
Why
the
would you
chin.
do that? And by the way, the truck bed is made of wood.
That'll do.
Yeah.
I'm sure it's meant.
Big brain time. Say when. You didn't say when.
He goes
2
faster.
monkeys frigging a football. Are you sure it's in neutral?
Yeah, it's definitely in neutral mode. It's gonna hang out here.
Brakes! Brakes! Brakes!
Brakes!
You know you're heavy.
Yep.
I forget about the horrible flashy headlights every time. I should fix that. I'm not going to, but I should. What?
I don't know.
What do you think?
Jamie.
Yeah. Oh.
It is really quiet.
I know. I need a speaker for it. We can't stop for burgers, beers, and karaoke this time. What a shame. Dude, what is this? It starts out as a cup of frozen goo and it turns into a milkshake somehow? It's amazing the technology they got nowadays. And nobody died. Not even once. So, what did we learn? Well, a couple things. First off, second gear burnout, very good idea. Second, apparently the rubber isolator from the snubber is not necessary. And third, good air is good. Also, I wasn't paying attention to the lights at all. I was definitely asleep on that one. Taking a light nap there. I'm not too concerned with the reaction time. This is the first time I've ever run 2 consecutive runs that were that consistent. So I'm happy with that. Compared to my previous best, that 830, I cut 2.5 tenths out of the 60 foot. That is a lot, and it's what delivered the faster ET. Notice the mile an hour is almost exactly the same. How did I do that with 0 tuning changes? I don't know, I guess I got half of a clue between this run and that one. The astute amongst the viewership will have already noticed several areas for future improvement. There's even more in this car. For one thing, though the bog is much better, it's kind of still there. And for another, I seriously short-shifted second gear on both of those runs. I haven't pulled a plug out of this thing since before I loaded it on the ramp truck and headed to Tennessee. I haven't opened that carburetor. It's exactly as it came in the box. I'm not running an air cleaner. There's probably a few horsepower to gain from that. Here's the thing though. From the beginning, I never intended to use this car as a dedicated drag racer. I wanted to take it out and remind it what it was built to do. And I had a lot of fun doing that. I've now beaten my own goals twice by quite a bit. If you convert this time to a quarter mile time, it's about a 12:42. Let's just say 12:05 to be conservative. That's not amazing, but it's pretty good, and it's a time representative of what this car did back in the 70s. I wanted to retire the Demon from drag racing last year. I really thought the garbage can Cuda would be a whole car by now, It isn't, but I have hopes that it will be soon. I now finally have in my possession all of the factory original numbers matching pieces for my 340. And thanks to Dale for storing all this crap for years, by the way. Here's the correct intake manifold. And of course, I already had the original thermoquad and valve covers and dual point distributor and everything else to put back on this 340 and make it 100% correct and original. Ignore the nitrous kit. That's this whole other thing. Yes, my vision from the beginning has been to put this car back the way it's supposed to be. And that's what I'm gonna do. At least, mostly. So that's the future for this car. Retirement from drag racing. I'm not saying I'll never run it again. In fact, it would be pretty entertaining to run it in 100% stock trim and see what it does there. And of course, I could still change my mind. It's my car after all, and if I don't have the Barracuda together this winter, maybe I'll take it out again next year. I've been very lucky to this point, and I'd like to keep it that way. I don't want to hurt this car, ever. It was fun while it lasted, but yeah, I think retirement will suit it just fine. So in summary, car's a lot faster. It's still not, fast, but I'm pleased with it. I don't know when we're going to hear back from Uncle Tony and Slaghammer. Could well be a while. Hey, Tony, beat that last time, that 830. I'll send you your timing light back. I'm sure you need that. Anyway, hopefully you've enjoyed watching me race the Demon. I've had a great time. And I've learned a lot. I'm looking forward to applying all of that to my next race car. And the one after that. Anyway, as ever, thank you very much for watching. And remember, it's not the size of the stick, it's how you swing it. Also that.